My name is Imelda Kpanou. I'm a current LVN student here at Galen in Houston, Texas. My favorite thing about Galen, about the education, is that we have a lot of resources. We have so much resources such as the content enrichment. In class, first of all, in class, if you pay attention in class and read your book, you will surely pass all your exams. And other than that, if you don't understand anything, we have so much resources online. Even in the weekend, Saturdays, Sundays, we sometimes have somebody online that will come on Zoom meeting to teach us what we have to know before exam day. I really, really love Galen, and I feel like Galen really prepare you for the real life. You know the stuff. When you go to clinical, you know exactly what to do, and you're very ready to take care of patients. Thank you.